Hello and welcome to the home improvement service. And this is John, the president of this company. We have big values and excellent, and we trust them. Our values. Here is my family: my mother, my father, my sisters, and my niece, nephews. We're working here. I'm just showing you the several pictures that we've done in different houses, and we are proud of our work, as you can see, and we can do it works that other people do it, and many days we do it, and very quick, very with effective people and good people that we I use all the time, and very good and selecting quality people that they know what to do. Um, Here is pictures that yeah, I'm presenting you through these videos, and they are real pictures that is from the houses that I've done it. And while I'm working, I'm just taking pictures, and so you can see the process of this work. Please, you can give me a call for any questions, advice, or any consultation for any project that you need to do, inside or outside of the house, from the bottom to the top of the house. And you can ask me anything. I'm here to laying out the bricks, and all this is my crew, like you see. And I've done it many works, and because I came um, a long time in this business, and I have a lot of experience. I'm from Peru. My father um, and all my family are from construction company. My father was a builder in Peru, building houses and occupying himself in construction, inside or outside of the house. And and when I came here over here to America at an early ages, and I learned it fast. And I work, yes, I worked for different companies, but I learned it very fast, and I did my business. And I'm here. I'm here doing bathrooms, kitchens, um, inside or outside work, so in any weather, and winter, summer, and cold, hot, and any weather or any time we do the works. Like you see it, we are washing we're washing this roof. We can do any work, installing, or this is my truck, and um, we installing also the garage doors. We install anything. Here is me. I'm over here in New York City. I've done it the decks also, beautiful decks, and you can see it. We are in the process of doing a lot of works inside or outside of the houses. Call me for any work you need to do. You'll be very satisfied and pleased for this. I'm friendly. I'm easygoing. You can talk, and we can make a good deals. Uh, Here I'm speaking. This is John, president of this company of a small construction and home improvement business or handyman works inside or outside, landscape and construction, handyman or anything. You can visit my website 51 www.housefinish.com, or send me a text message, or call me, or send a voicemail to 516-828-1324. Thank you very much for watching these videos, and appreciate it, and good luck and a lot of luck to any project you are doing. Thank you very much. Thank you.